My friends Harris and Roberto are in town visiting, and one thing they really wanted to do was go on the Kigali Hash. If you don't know what the Hash House Harriers are, check out my video all about that. I'll link to it below. The short version is, they're a drinking club with a running problem. There's a branch in most countries around the world. The idea is you meet at a different location every month and go on a walk or run around the local neighbourhood. It's a good way to get fit, get drunk, and see parts of the town you would never normally see. My first hashing experience was fun, but we ended up getting picked up by the rescue truck at the end. So I was a little bit nervous this time around.
My name is Roberto.
Harris.
Wendy. Baden.
And where are you all from?
From India. South Africa.
Greece, I guess.
And Italy. And how are we feeling? Is it our first time today?
Yeah.
Okay, how are we feeling? Curious. Am I making you nervous? You're all looking good, so let's see how we are when we get back. All right. So today we're walking around Kimironko, which is up near the National Stadium. It's an area of town known for its large market. There's quite a large group today, many of them first-time hashers like I was last time. It's a really friendly atmosphere, so don't worry if you're travelling by yourself. Just rock up, you'll be made very welcome. Anan? Anan! I was just saying this is the kind of road I fell off my bike. I'm learning to ride a motorbike and I kind of skidded on one of the ruts and kind of just did like a little elegant dismount.
No, sorry. We are going to Fiji and we went to Dubai. Yeah. It's not tip to tip.
Look at a bottle of water at my back. Things always start to get more interesting when you get off the main road. maybe we should wait until we hear one of them shout. Yeah, no, they've got the right one here. If he's the guy who set it, then we'll follow him.
So. I'm still not sure how that works. I don't know the instructions, but
Yeah, so you follow the trail, and a checkpoint is when you see it with, I think, a dot in the middle, and that means that there might be false trails.
Okay.
So then so then if you go off and you see a cross, then
that's a false trail.
that's a false trail.
That was a cross, right?
Yeah, but then if you see 3 piles consecutively, then you can shout on because then you're still going because it's the correct trail. If there's more than 3 piles, it's
I
the correct
definitely
one.
understood it now.
I don't know. I was you last time, so I had no idea. There we go. There's one. So yeah, the joke was always that it's shredded American embassy documents. Yeah.
Everyone go back to school.
This feels like a false trail. No. This time around, the hare laid a trail right through a primary school. It was the weekend, so there weren't any kids, and we got to peep through the windows. This is what a local Rwandan classroom looks like. Old school buildings.
But it seems to be never finished. I mean,
Well, people start building and then they run out of money and they stop and then when they make... There are a lot of half-built structures around Rwanda. As I was saying to Rob, people tend to build in stages as they save money up to start the next part of the project. Anyway, hi! I'm a guru.
hi.
This path here leads down to the wetlands. There's a football pitch on the right, and I love these big tall palm trees. These deep grooves are caused by rain runoff during the wet season. Mind your step. Sorry. Somebody carrying water home? W for walking path. We're on the right track. Local bar on the right. These are mud bricks drying in the sun. And here's some washing drying in the sun. This seems to be an area where everybody comes to clean their cars.
Gate.
Again, just press the screen to check whether or not, if it's a red recording.
It is.
How are you?
I'm super tired.
Oh, you did the run?
I did the run. I thought I was going to walk.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, we thought we were going to walk. 'Cause
I don't know.
did you just change your mind or you get lost?
changed my mind? I was just following the guys who were
Oh,
running.
no.
And then I ended up running, and I'm so tired now.
I only did the walk and I already want to lie down for a
I should have
bit.
walked. I should have walked.
How do you feel? After,
I thought it's gonna be like 3 hours or something.
yeah, well, it was last time. I was kind of, I saw the gate and I was like, oh, that's it. Fantastic. Yeah.
Because 1 hour is just like warming up.
So do you want to go again? Should we go again? All right.
After the walk, it's time for Hash Traditions, which includes drinking games and welcoming new members.
Why are you middle of the cycle? Very good. Are you good or not guilty? I'm entering here in the middle. Are you good or not guilty? Perfect. Get more drinks. So drink it down. Dismiss and keep your vessels. Are you guilty or not guilty? That's what matters.
I'm guilty for not knowing life.
The red carpet is washed.
At times, it can feel a bit like the Mad Hatter's Tea Party.
Finally. Not super clean. Roberto from Italy. Harris.
Come from Greece.
Greece. Pavan from India.
And of course, my specialty, I can cook lasagna better than anyone else, of course. Here. What is a skill? I cook the best lasagna.
Buying a beer or drinking a beer? Buying a beer. Marion, recruitment for the Marion. Thank you for the new recruitment. This is a drinking club with running problem. Oh, you got it. Now, this is how it works. Whenever you find yourself, this is what is going to happen. They will ask you, who's your mother hash? I mean, like if you hash somewhere else, which is a Kigali hash as yes. Today, you're born. Kigali hash as yes. Is your mother hash now today? Okay. Now you're among the hashes. You have a past. Join back the cycle. I'm done with you. Leave me red carpet.
Well done.
Excellent.
Well done.
We're waiting as well you to set a trap. I think so far you have set 2 times or 3 times. In the name of Kigali Hashazarias, by the power given by the Kigali Hashazarias, your name will be...
With your phone.
Let's come on!
If you want to join the Kigali Hash, they meet each Saturday and post the starting point on their Facebook page. I'll link to that below. If you live outside Rwanda, you can Google your country and Hash House Harriers to see if there's a kennel near you. And if you've enjoyed watching me sweat in the name of entertainment, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe.